Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Everett. And Everett has Down syndrome. He is 13 months old, and he's still not a great roller yet. He can roll, but he's not great at it. So one of the ways you can work on rolling is just going stomach to back on the ball, back and forth, stomach to back. This ball is a little bit small. I'd like it to be a little bit bigger, but it works. All right, Sweet Pea, I'm gonna roll you from your stomach to your back. Your stomach to your back that time. And your back to your stomach. Yeah. So one of the things I see is that his arms, when he's on his stomach, are still pretty wide. And when you have your arms wide like that, it blocks your roll. So I'm gonna help him get that arm up a little bit so that I can roll him from his stomach. Woo! I love how he's keeping his head up here when we're halfway. Look how good his head is up to his back. Hi. Was that hard work? And from his back to his stomach. So you could see when I went from his stomach to his back, he held his head here so beautifully. However, when we went the opposite direction, when we went from his back, and his head's back a little far on this ball, to his stomach, it was harder for him to get his head back up. Nice job. I love how he's popping it up though. I'm just gonna hold right here, make sure that arm is forward. I'm gonna roll him back to his back. Whoop. And then I'm gonna take him back to his stomach. Yeah, I see you. And I love how he's getting that arm out all by himself. Just so we can see it toward the camera. Here we go. Ready? I'm gonna take him over his back, and I'm just holding his hips, taking him over. Whoop! Hi, you're being a sport. And then coming right back over. Whoop! Whoa, see how hard that is? Oh, beautiful job. I'm just concentrating right now on going over the right side. You could do the exact same thing over the left side. It's an easy thing to do on an exercise ball. Make sure the ball rolls with you. So the ball's not staying still, you see? I'm gonna get that arm up so we can roll over it. Whoop. The ball rolls, and we come on back. Whoop. Nice job. Hope that's an easy idea for you to work on rolling at home, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.